I welcome you all for my lecture video. Now what we are going to discuss now is the types of research. Before going to the topic types of research, first we will see what is research. Okay, this slide shows the meaning for the word research. According to the words given in the Advanced Learners Dictionary, the meaning of that word research is nothing but careful investigation or inquiry, especially through search for new facts. Okay, this is the meaning for the word research. Then we'll see the definition for the word research. Definition for the research, according to the author Redman and Mori, he defined the word research as systematized effort to gain new knowledge, and the author Clifford Woody defined the word research as defining and redefining the problems, formulating hypotheses or suggested solutions, collecting, organizing and evaluating the data, making deductions and reaching the conclusions, and at last carefully testing the conclusions to determine whether they fit the formulating hypothesis. Okay, that's all about meaning and definition for the word research. Okay, now we will discuss about types of research. Totally we are having 7 types of research. Actually various theorists having different ideas about these types of research, but generally we are having 7 types of research. Those are applied research, analytical research, descriptive research, exploratory research, experimental research, pure or fundamental or basic research, and finally we are having historical research. Okay, we'll see one by one. First one, applied research. Okay, applied research is nothing but if we find a solution to the immediate problem. Okay, the best example for this applied research is to study the causes of COVID-19. Okay, so whatever the solution we are finding from this applied research, those may be implemented immediately by the government. Okay, that kind of research will come under this applied research. Then next type, analytical research. Okay, in analytical research what we will do is, whatever the data we collected during the data collection period, those data will be analyzed in depth. Okay, that is analytical research. Okay, and then we will have a critical evaluation here. The best example for analytical research is if we find or analyze the financial performance of some financial institutions like SBI, Axis Bank, IOB. Okay, these are the best example for analytical research. Okay, the next kind is descriptive research. In descriptive research, just we give a report what is happening in the particular place. Okay, mostly in humanities we people are following this descriptive kind of research only. Okay, the best example for this descriptive research is nothing. We have given 3 examples here. If we find the whether the teaching staffs, whoever working in the self-finance arts and science colleges are satisfied, that too during this pandemic situations. Okay, then another example is quality of work life of nurses, whoever working in government hospitals, and problems faced by the PhD scholars in universities or aided colleges. Okay, these are the best examples for descriptive research. In descriptive research what we will do is, we will give a report. Okay, just what happening in the study area, that is descriptive kind of research. Okay, then next type is exploratory research. Okay, in exploratory research also detailed analysis will happen, and then we can't get the solution in the initial stage of our research. Okay, we will have a very in-depth analysis. The best example for exploratory research is murder investigation, or the marketing department will have this kind of research. For what? They will do this kind of research in order to identify the trend, okay, to produce the new kind of product. Okay, that is the best example for this exploratory research. Then next type is, we are having the next type, experimental research. Okay, experimental research is nothing but laboratory test. Okay, in laboratory the researcher will do lot of methods. Okay, just a trial and error method. Okay, right, and this method is very useful to know the cause and effect of relationship. Okay, the best examples for this experimental researches are effects of new drug. Okay, mostly pharmaceutical industries will use this kind of research. And COVID-19 vaccine finding process also will come under this experimental research. Okay, these are the best examples for experimental research. Then next we are having pure or fundamental or basic research. Actually, the researcher will use this method to find a new kind of theory, because this research is entirely based on natural phenomena. Okay, right. Then so formulation of new theories and development of an existing theories, okay, will be found out by this method. Okay, the institutions like IIM, MDI are using this kind of researches only. Okay, because those students who are all studying in those institutions like IIM, they are trying to build the theories. Okay, right. The best example for those pure research are see how the new kind of teaching methods affect the students' concentration, and a research to discover the components of the human DNA, and finally an investigation into the symptoms of coronavirus. Okay, these are the best examples for pure and basic kind of research. Okay, and finally we are having the historical research. Okay, if the researcher is using the historical elements like coins, okay, old documents, sculptures, okay, statues, okay, if a researcher using these kind of materials for his research, that kind of research will come under this historical research. Okay, the best example for this historical research are a study of historical events like wars, okay, revolutions, okay, and Keeladi excavation or anything which is happening now in Madurai. Okay, these are the best examples for historical kind of research. Okay, right. So we are having 7 types of research. Those 7 types of research we discussed in this lecture video. Those are first one is what is that? Applied research, analytical research, okay, exploratory research, descriptive research, then experimental research, then pure or fundamental or basic research, and finally historical research. Okay, thank you.